Welcome to Global City Guide. Let's explore Lethbridge. Lethbridge is a city located in southern Alberta, Canada. It has a population of around 100,000 people and is known for its natural beauty, including parks and river valleys. The city has a thriving arts and cultural scene, with several museums, galleries, and performance venues. It is also home to the University of Lethbridge, which is known for its strong programs in the arts and sciences. The city's economy is diverse, with major industries including agriculture, manufacturing, and healthcare. Lethbridge is also a hub for transportation and trade, with a major railway line and highways connecting it to other cities in Alberta and beyond. Top 10 places in Lethbridge. 1. Nika-Yuko Japanese Garden is a serene and peaceful garden in Lethbridge, Alberta, featuring traditional Japanese elements such as koi ponds, bridges, and rock gardens. It's a popular destination for visitors seeking relaxation and a cultural experience. 2. Galt Museum and Archives is a cultural history museum in Lethbridge, Alberta, Canada, showcasing the history and heritage of the region through exhibitions, collections, and educational programs. 3. Fort Whoop-Up was a whiskey trading post in southern Alberta, Canada, established in the late 1800s, famous for its lawlessness and violence. Today, it's a historic site and tourist attraction that offers visitors a glimpse into the wild west of Canada. 4. Indian Battle Park is a historical park in Lethbridge, Alberta, Canada, commemorating the Battle of the Belly River, a significant conflict between the Blackfoot Confederacy and the Northwest Mounted Police in 1870. It features monuments, trails, and interpretive displays. 5. Helen Schuler Nature Center is a nature reserve in Lethbridge, Alberta, Canada, featuring trails, interpretive displays, and wildlife viewing opportunities. It's a popular destination for hiking, birdwatching, and learning about the natural environment of the region. 6. St. Michael's Ukrainian Orthodox Church is a historic church in Lethbridge, Alberta, Canada, built by early Ukrainian settlers in the area. It is an important cultural and religious landmark, offering religious services, cultural events, and showcasing Ukrainian heritage. 7. High Level Bridge Park is a scenic park in Lethbridge, Alberta, Canada, offering views of the city, the Oldman River, and the High Level Bridge, a historic steel truss bridge spanning the river. It's a popular destination for picnics, photography, and outdoor recreation. 8. Inmax Center is a multi-purpose event venue in Lethbridge, Alberta, Canada, featuring an arena, convention center, and performing arts theater. It hosts a variety of events, including sports, concerts, trade shows, and community events, and is a hub of cultural activity in the city. 9. Nosehill Park is a natural park located in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. It covers an area of over 11 square kilometers, making it one of the largest urban parks in North America. The park features rolling hills, diverse vegetation, and scenic views of the surrounding city. It provides recreational opportunities for hiking, biking, and picnicking. 10. Southern Alberta Art Gallery, SAAG, is a contemporary art museum in Lethbridge, Canada featuring regional, national, and international contemporary art exhibitions and programs to foster critical discourse and engage the public. Thanks for watching.